We fervently hope that our charges of plunder, malversation, bribery, graft and corruption, betrayal of public trust, and gross violation of the Constitution be upheld against Vice President Sara Duterte, and she at least be called upon to account, one, on hundreds of millions of confidential funds that she plundered. And if she fails to do so, she should no less than be found criminally liable for it. Maraming salamat.
Sir, Father, para po sa publiko, para po mas maintindihan po nila, paano po ipapaliwanag kung bakit kailangan pong maharap sa ganito pong mga reklamo si Vice President Sara Duterte?
Para sa ating publiko, ito ay ating ginagawa upang ipakita na ang accountability ay nangyayari at hindi kami matitinag sa pagharap o pagsusuri sapagkat ang confidential funds ay public funds. Ito ay dapat suriin kung ito ay ginamit sa tamang pamamaraan.
Sir,
tama. At ito yung dapat nilang ipaliwanag sa tamang plataforma. Ang problema, hindi naman nila pinapaliwanag na maayos eh. Very evasive sila to begin with. And COA itself has already determined there were misuse and there was a manner of the confidential funds not brought to its proper use.
Father, ano po ba yung malinaw na nailista niyo po doon ng mga nagawa po ni Vice President Sara at ng DepEd at ng OVP?
To begin with, meron tayong nakitang 612.5 na pera na winidraw, na ginamit, ngunit hindi may paliwanag. Yun ang isa sa nais natin hanapin, harapin, at mapakinggan kung ano nangyari dito.
Saan po kayo mag-confident na kukusan po under Ombudsman Paul Memorial?
With the prayer, with the facts that we have presented and have assigned our signatures, we pray that this will be heeded and pupusan ang kaso upang mapanagot kung dapat yung panagutin. Kung walang tinatago si Sara Duterte, humarap siya.